The pros and cons of buying a used car. One of the most important considerations when buying for an automobile is whether to purchase new or second-hand. Each option offers advantages and disadvantages of its own, but ultimately, it comes down to what is the best fit for you, both financially and practically. Benefits of purchasing a used car. Purchasing a used automobile has numerous benefits over purchasing a new one, including cost savings and reduced stress. Lower price tag. One of the main benefits of purchasing used as opposed to new is the cost of a used car. Generally speaking, a used car is thousands of dollars less expensive than the same model from the current year. When you drive a new automobile off the lot, it immediately loses up to 20% of its value, which is a significant financial waste. Used cars don't depreciate as quickly, therefore your investment won't be diminished as much. Lower associated costs. You can save money by purchasing used because there are fewer expenses involved. Used automobile insurance can cost up to 25% less than new car insurance. In some states, it might also cost more to register a new vehicle. Additionally, there are costs involved with purchasing a new car from a dealership, such as advertising and documentation costs. Ride stylishly. The ability to frequently get an older premium model for the same price as a new car of a lower class is one advantage of buying used. You can benefit from the fact that the first owner previously paid a significant depreciation penalty to be able to afford a luxury vehicle. Higher quality materials and technology are typically found in the luxury model. Less anxiety. You won't have to worry about getting the first ding or scratch on your old car because it probably already has once. When you don't have to worry about someone slamming their door into your car or scratching the paint, your stress levels will decrease. Cons of purchasing a used vehicle. While purchasing a used automobile has numerous benefits, there are a few drawbacks to consider as well. The number of options. When looking for a used car, your options are constrained by what others are currently selling. Unlike when buying a new car from a dealership, it is quite challenging to find the precise brand, model, and color of car with all the features you want. Prior to searching, you must choose what the most crucial criteria are. More maintenance. With a new car, there shouldn't be any significant problems for many years after you buy it, but with a used car, it can be risky. You'll never know how the previous owner handled the vehicle. Over the years, they might have neglected routine maintenance or drove it aggressively. Although a pre-purchase check may reveal some potential problems, unexpected repairs are always a possibility. Limited warranties. The existence of a warranty on your used car will depend on where you buy it. On used vehicles with bare-bones coverage, some dealerships might provide their own tinier warranties. There is a chance that the warranty won't transfer to the buyer if you do a private transaction.